am say about journey from Banaras to Lucknow. We faced a lot of difficulty from going from Banaras to Lucknow. We thought of a railway station in Banaras. Our driver said there are four railway station here. Nowhere your car will go from correctly. Otherwise you will have to face trouble. Now we too got engrossed in thinking because our train was at 5 in the morning. Getting out of the house on this morning is a big task. So we got information related to it from many people. Finally ensured in fact our station is from the main Banaras. At 4 in the morning we asked the auto driver to come. He arrived at the right time. The empty still looked strange in the dark of night. We saw the speciality of Banaras. There was no visible dirt, morning to evening. Now it was destined to see even at night. In a country like India, we had not thought of seeing such a surprise. Our train arrived on time, started walking at the right time, but stopped after a while. Then he did not take the name of walking. Due to our midnight walking, incomplete sleep, our also completed in the meantime. I could not understand that the journey should have been completed at 11 o'clock. We were in Banaras till 11 o'clock. After a long time, the train ran. We reached Lucknow at 4 in the evening. Our whole day was feeling very bad due to passing in the train because we had to catch the flight at 3 o'clock the next day. So the rickshaw from which he reached the hotel talked to the same rickshaw about showing some of the best thing in Lucknow. He also agreed. Our hotel booking was in advance, so we left the hotel in a short while. I had a great desire to see Lucknow, so I did not want to let a single moment go waste. Gave him the asking price because time wasted in dealing with someone. He first took us to show the chicken work clothes. It was nice to work there, but it cost of more. So I bought a shirt from there. There was less money at different shops. The last shop was purchased at a quarter price. For the reason we bought a lot of goods. We shopped until it was dark. He then showed us the assembly of Lucknow. His magnificence was enchanting the mind. Afterward, we saw a very large mosque on the same road. I had not imagined the mosque so close to the assembly. The journey was very short, almost equal to two roads. Being ignorant, we had to take in course to the rickshaw or else the distance could be covered on foot. Muslim people are seen everywhere in Lucknow. There is no area where there is only one community. It was very crowded here. Dirt, like other cities, was also visible. Like every city here, we also had to face fraud, considering it unknown. We were charged double or one and a half time in many places. which was very sad to know. The big and small Imambada is very famous here. His architecture is worth seeing. We really got lost in its maze. All the maze was seen till now. According to him, it seems to us that we will live. It looked very small to us. But when we got lost in it, there was panic. We saw many more people like us who got crazy after seeing it. The lanes of this labyrinth were so thin that only one human could walk at a time. The two could not walk together. One human being was joining one, but nobody could find the way. In the end, we got a family with a guide that got us to our destination, and we were able to get out when we breathed a sign of relief. I had not seen any other place related to Muharram before this. What in Imambara, big and small, seemed different from of Tajia. When we got lost in the maze, then we could see fresh from many places. People were also seen walking down, but the path was not found. Hope was found every time, but the way was found later. Bavli remains very large in this Imambada, in front of which Agrasen Bavli of Delhi does not matter. On next side, we found e-rickshaw who made us count the names of 4-5 places. Also agreed to tell us about there. We found it a very cheap deal. We started showing things by sitting in his rickshaw and finally found that all those things were very close, which could be reached by walking. Due to lack of time, we had to compromise all this. There is not much to see in Lucknow. This city is very good for those who love to roam.